Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a review on having the Otterbox case, the Defender case, or the Defender series case on the new iPad 6th Gen 2018 iPad. I could not find this video anywhere, and I think that it's extremely helpful to know, especially if you want to buy which case that you want to buy. So the Defender series, I will show that to you guys in a minute. But this is what writing on the iPad is like without having the Defender series case on there with the built-in screen protector. So I'm just gonna write whatever. Now, as I'm writing, I do find that it does feel a lot more, it does feel a little bit better. I do like that it just feels a little bit more natural without the case on there. It kind of, the glass, it's not slippery at all. It doesn't feel like paper, but it just has a little bit more, I don't know, give to it, I guess, to where there's really no, I don't know, it's not slippery or slick or anything. It just feels really good to the hand. You know, it just feels good, I guess. But yeah, it feels quite natural, and even touching the case, or touching the glass, some people might find that it's very comfortable. It's not, like I said, it's not slippery or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the case on, and then I'll come right back. So I'm just putting the case on now. This is what the case looks like. And it's really not hard to put on, but when you're trying to do this in front of a camera, it's a little bit awkward. Okay, so this is what it's like with the case on there. As you can see, there's a little bit of a glare to it. And then as I write, it does feel good. It does feel, I mean, it doesn't really feel that different. I guess the only thing is that it is a little bit slick. It is, it's slick. It feels like, you know, there's like, not really like you're writing on plastic, but it just feels like you're writing on something. But it's not enough to where I would not get this case, honestly. I think it does a good job at protecting, you know, the writing surface, but it's not slippery. It's not really too slick. This type of case is not something that you just want to keep taking off and on, you know, when you're really writing, you know, notes. It's the type of case that you want to keep on all the time. So I'm used to it. I've had this case on since like I want to say like the 3rd or 4th day that I got it, and today was the first time I took it off. And even though I probably would prefer writing on the glass screen more without the protector, but I do find that this is, once you start really using it all the time and writing with it, you really wouldn't remember what that felt like, at least in my opinion. So I would get it. I think it's worth it. I think it's something that it's a good investment. It definitely does protection, protect your iPad. And yeah, so hopefully this helps make the decision for somebody out there who's really considering getting the new iPad or the iPad Pro and wants to get this type of case or doesn't know what type of case to get. I would definitely, you know, recommend this case because it does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. This is so hard to do. Subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.